First thing to look at with a pictogram, which this is the key. Now the key tells us what each picture represents. So if you have a look at the key here, it says each circle represents 8 DVDs. Now that's the complete circle. So it says, what day are the most DVDs sold? Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday? Well, or you can always just look at which has the most shapes. Now Tuesday has 2, Wednesday has 1.5, but Monday has over 2 3/4. So it's definitely going to be Monday because it's got the most circles. Now, how many DVDs were sold on Tuesday? Well, if each circle represents 8, there's 8 there and there's 8 there. So we just need to add the 8s together, which makes 16. So 16 DVDs were sold on Tuesday. It says how many DVDs were sold on Monday? Well, you've got the 8 there and you've got the 8 there. Now we've got a bit of a problem here because it's not a complete 8. So we need to figure out how much each quarter is worth. Well, what do you times by 4 to get to 8? Well, 2. Let's check to see if that works. So we've got 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, and an extra 2, which is actually missing on that one, would make 8. So that would work perfectly. So to find out a quarter of it, we just divide it by 4, which gives us 2. So we've got the 8s, because we've got 2 complete circles, and then we've got those 3 2s, so we've got another 6. So we just need to add on 6 to the 16. So 16 plus 6 is going to be 22. So that's going to be 22. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. On Thursday, 20 DVDs were sold. Show this information on a pictogram. So let's have a think how many circles that will be. So if I've put one circle down, that's 8. Well, we've still got enough left over. If I put another full circle down, that's 16. Now 16, let's try another one. Let's put another full circle down, and that gives us 24. So that would be too much. So we're going to have to go into those quarters. So we've got 16. How many more 2s do we need? So 16, that would give us 18, and that would give us 20. So we need 2 whole circles and then 2 quarters. So if I shade in, if I draw, then shade in, 2 whole circles, and then we've got 2 quarters left over, which is just a half. Let's just check that. What's half of 8? That would be 4. And what's 8 plus 8 plus 4? That gives us 20. So we know the answer is correct.